Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor. Hope you're enjoying the videos. If you are, don't forget to subscribe, and you can view them on YouTube anytime, and then you'll get notifications when we put out a new video. It's March. We're going to continue with the theme that we've been going with, and that is Irish cocktails. And tonight we're going to make a true Irish classic, and that is Irish coffee. So let's get started. We're going to start with 2 sugar cubes. Next, we are going to pour in there about 4 to 5 ounces of black coffee. And we're going to give that a stir. Next, 2 ounces of your favorite Irish whiskey. Tonight, we are using Jameson's. Uh-oh, St. Patty's Day better get here pretty quick. And next, what I've already done is I've partially whipped some cream to give it a nice thick consistency. We are going to float that on top. And that is a classic Irish coffee. And you can tell it's good because of the white mustache. Happy St. Patty's Day, everyone.